They must come to an end. Because just a minute. Honorable Speaker, please allow us to speak, Majority Leader. I am on the floor. Why are you heckling us? Why are you heckling us? This is not your house. Leader, this is not your house.
Majority
this is
Leader.
all of us.
Majority
and the
Leader.
information that we have comes from the Speaker.
Majority Leader.
You can't heckle us all the time. Can
Majority
you throw him
Leader.
out? Honorable
Majority
Speaker.
Leader. Order. Order.
Order.
Order.
No,
Order,
Honorable Speaker,
order.
this is unacceptable.
Order, Senator.
Even if I was asked to be nicer, I will not
Senator.
allow this provocation to continue.
You started heckling. Okay, then let's stop it at there. Let him finish and listen to him in silence.
Speaker,
yes, Senator Sifuna.
Honorable Speaker, how is it in order for somebody who's younger than me to call himself my elder? We in which society? And in this particular house, Honorable Speaker, there is nothing like seniority coming from how old you are. It is what is in your brain. It is what is in your head. So you can't come here heckling and telling us you are senior to us, Honorable Cheriot. You are just lucky that I have been directed to be nice. Otherwise, you would have seen the full wrath of Edwin Sifuna. Honorable Speaker, I want these demons who have been sent to tempt me to break the directive by my party leader to depart from me. Leave me alone. Honorable Speaker, therefore, now that I have seen the CS, I will take my seat because it was all very critical. But as Senator Wambua has said, the communication to this house
He was on the floor of the house. Can you
please
allow him to finish? Senator
can you throw
Cheriot.
this guy out? Is Senator Cheriot above the law? Is Senator Cheriot above the law, Honorable Speaker?
Order, Senators.
He can't heckle like this.
Order, Senators.
He can't heckle like this.
Order, Senators. Order. He's addressing his issue now. Can we allow him to finish? Let's listen to the Senator in silence. Senator Sifuna, just conclude.
Honorable Speaker, it is very unfair. If it was Senator Sifuna behaving like this heckler from Kericho, I would have been thrown out by now. Can you apply the rules equally? No, apply the rules equally. Honorable Speaker, I wanted to say lastly, no, throw him out, Bwana. Is he above the law? He's not above the law. You are not above the law, Senator Cheriot. No.
Senator Sifuna.
Let me conclude.
Before you conclude, there's a point of order. Before you conclude, Senator Cheriot, what is your point of order?
How can somebody who is out of order be given a point of order? He is already out of order. How can he stand up unless the point of order is against himself?
Honorable Senators,